Hello everyone, and today we will introduce this trailer. This is the njstar RV, and this is very unique product. You can have some LED lighting, some bubble lighting for customer work for the side tent. And let's take a look here. And this side tent, when it is fully extended, 3 meter by 3 meters side tent with high density nylon material. And let's take a look. You see there is a carpet. You can imagine a camping knife like this. You have a outdoor chair and an outdoor table. High density nylon material. So let's take a look here. The 3 meter by 3 meter side tent can cover a wide area of this trailer. And also we have the nails for the windproof. So let's take a look at the slide out kitchen. Slide out kitchen. Spicy bottles. Glass spicy bottles with a spoon. Press, drag out. Stainless steel. 2 slide out design. Stainless steel slide out kitchen. And a 3-core stove. Stainless steel quantity is very high. And also there is another push-up drawer. Push-up drawer, you can put some footwear inside. LED lighting system. And this faucet is easy to retract. This is the side tent, expansion tent. Very strong stainless pole, 3 stainless pole. Previously, we opened the zip here, and now it's closed. So it's very brilliant for this trailer. And you see, we are fully extended. You see, there is a stripe. So you just fixed it here in the front of the trailer to fix it, make it stronger, make it a windproof and waterproof. This is the default version, hitch for domestic customer, square coupler, and 2 steel galvanized safety chain and 13-pin electronic brake system, and also Anderson plug for you can charge in the rear car from the front car, and also a manual brake there. The 1000 jack, it can be easily retracted by here, you see. So you just turn and then you will put into the position. This is the V you just installed there. The front toolbox can put some weight to balance the downforce for the trailer. And there is another 5-liter oil tank over here. 5-liter oil tank. And at this side, we have the stainless steel hook here for mixed strings for the tent at the side. And this side we have a water heater, another toolbox as we showed before. Double layer acrylic window, and this is the ventilation connected with the restroom lighting system. And also here, this is the shore power. It is charging air conditioner compressor. So put some lightweight stuff on top of the hydraulic hatch. Put some lightweight stuff on the hydraulic hatch. and this is the back side of the trailer. We have a 40 liter toolbox in total, 20 liter on each side, which is very convenient. And also there is a stainless steel plate for the license plate. This is the license plate here with LED lighting system. So some customer asked about the question for the LED lighting, and we have it. And here, 10 liter diesel oil tank and air conditioner fan. 10 liter diesel oil fan for the Plateau diesel version. So you know it's very convenient in the winter season. A pair of stainless steel support back, which is top quality. And let's take a view from this angle. And here, the default battery we are using is the gel battery. The gel battery can support the air conditioner for 2 hours. And also there is a plug. You can have an inverter for the plug. But if you want to design from us, we can buy a international plug or US standard for you without problem, without questions. And also 2000 watt inverter and a Coulomb counter to check the abnormal problem for the battery and the solar panel. We are using the independent suspension system as we showed you guys before. And also this is the locking way of the door here. You see, this is the locking way. You just fix the door here by this stainless steel design. And also we are using the aluminum door. The door material inside is the foam, high quality foam, and the outside is the aviation aluminum. And by the way, all the exterior sheet metal we are using for the shell, we're using Aviation 5051 aluminum alloy. It's high quality aluminum alloy, Aviation standard. And let's take a look at the inside. Actually, for the inside, it is every trailer of us. It is the same inside, like this. It's simple, compact, and usable. 12-volt air conditioner is there. And let's take a look. This is the expansion side tent. It can sleep 2 person here. This is for control panel. We introduced it before. So let's take a look at the inside. This is the inside. Aluminum frame and the waterproof pop-up tent. And let's sit down here. And I'm sitting inside. Let's take a look for you guys here from this angle. You can see we have there's a handle. You can pop up the trailer by using the handle here. And we are using the leather wall. The leather wall, it's top quality and very fashionable. And here you can see it's warm lighting. And this is the corner of the trailer. The mattress is a knitted mattress, which is top quality. 12-volt air conditioner, only freeze function. And there is a carbon monoxide alarm. 3 stainless steel hook. And also over there, a 40-liter refrigerator, only freeze function. There's also an induction cooker. You can cook some coffee or tea. And this table is manually lifted. And also there are 2 storages. You can show it. I can show for you. Yeah, it's easy. It's upgraded version and it can open easily. You can put some stuffs inside. And also there are another 2 speakers, music system.
This is the restroom. And we put a portable toilet inside. The portable toilet is with the price we quoted. And here you see the black one, and there is a wood. So this is the water heater adjuster, water heater controller. And you see this faucet. It's easy to retract, and it can fix the here, so you can take a shower inside. The ventilation, and this is the ventilation. So when you're closing the LED lighting for the restroom, the ventilation system can be closed. You see the door side. We are using the wood material, solid wood. These are solid wood, not composite wood, okay? It's very top quality. A nice product here. Also, this is the teak floor. And let's take a look from this view. You can see the trailer is fully extended. You imagine you're on wildlife. So this is the example for fully expanded trailer of njstar RV. For any questions, please leave comment. Thank you so much.